honest, I really enjoyed the food, the services, and the culture. So the cuisine, the Chinese cuisine was actually good. My favorite one is the fried rice. And also, when you walk into the restaurant, like the entrance, you see a small aquarium, small cute fishes, and also there's some really cool pictures about the Chinese heritage. When you go in, you can see the table, it's gonna start spinning. And you put the food and stuff, and it's spinning. You get to enjoy your food a lot, and yeah, that's everything.